Telegram, a messaging platform, can be a great tool for making money, especially if you leverage its features for business or marketing purposes. Here are some ways beginners can make money using Telegram. Create a niche channel or group. Start by creating a Telegram channel or group around a specific topic you are passionate about, such as technology, fitness, finance, or entertainment. Build a following by sharing valuable content, tips, or insights in your niche. Monetize through sponsored posts. Once you have a decent-sized audience, you can collaborate with brands for sponsored posts. Companies will pay you to promote their products or services to your Telegram members, especially if your group aligns with their target market. Offer premium content. You can charge your subscribers a fee to access exclusive content or special services. This could include providing in-depth tutorials, expert advice, or personalized services through a paid subscription model. Affiliate marketing. Promote products related to your niche and share affiliate links within your Telegram group or channel. Every time someone makes a purchase using your affiliate link, you earn a commission.